See? Ta-da! It's open. It only took me about 5 minutes to get it open. It was great. Piece of cake.
That's incredible.
I know. I know. It's like, hit your head on that, man. And this one.
And those
They
are
lock,
incredible sizes too. Wow.
yeah, they lock the bars on the outside too. See these bars?
Mm-mm. That's amazing.
Right here. They lock. They lock
Wow.
up and down.
Shit.
Yeah. It's like, as if that isn't secure enough.
And that thing doesn't even
And
move.
it's,
does it?
yeah, it can move. But don't. Don't.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it really is. The hinges on these things. You guys can do that. See the hinges?
Oh man.
Yeah, this is massive. Actually, during the fire of the Capitol, they had to leave this thing here because you couldn't move it.